In this video we're going to explain how to attract and hunt pigeons, without moving away from home. The method here is so effective, that you have to keep in mind that you must give more than you take. First, you have to find an area that is quiet and safe, where the birds can land and feed without being bothered by cats, or any other predator activity. In my case I chose the rooftop of my house. I started throwing pigeon food on the rooftop floor twice a day. The mixture was mainly wheat and corn grains.
I placed a trail cam on the roof, to keep track of bird activity and monitor evolution of their numbers, with time. Birds started coming since day one, as the area was quite populated with collared doves and rock pigeons. Thanks to the trail cam, I noticed how their numbers started increasing day after day. They also got used to the place and came back every morning at the same time. I kept throwing grains every day for 3 months, as I wanted them to feel safe, and to attract as many as possible, from the surrounding parks and fields as well.
I have installed a hide a few days in advance, to allow the birds to get used to it before D-Day. In the meanwhile I kept feeding them regularly. As the shooting distance is quite short, I camouflaged my air rifle with a few branches and leaves, to avoid getting spotted by the birds. I know you've had enough with this synthetic voice. Let's move on to the part you all have been waiting for.
Now comes my favorite part,